Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Flatex. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Flatex is one of the largest online brokers in Europe and is trusted by more than 2 million users worldwide. This broker was founded in 2006 and is a registered brand of Flatex de Giro AG, operating under the supervision of German regulations with a full banking license. As a Flatex client, you will have access to flexible investment plans, thousands of tradable instruments, and powerful trading platforms. Flatex provides in-depth market analytics, news updates, educational tutorials, and 24-hour customer support. This multi-award-winning broker offers an intuitive, beginner-friendly mobile application, transparent trading conditions, and a wide range of stocks, CFDs, and cryptocurrencies. There are more than 4,000 tradable ETFs and dozens of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio when you open an account with Flatex. This broker offers more than 35 listed shares, mutual funds, CFDs, securities loans, and cryptocurrencies, including altcoins and crypto baskets. Flatex clients can choose between exchange-traded and direct OTC or over-the-counter trading, and there are thousands of instruments to choose from, so you will have no problem diversifying your portfolio with this broker. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Flatex, hover your cursor over the Products and Trade tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Flatex customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. The Flatex website is sophisticated and user-friendly, with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You can find all the information you need by using the menu bar. And if you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Stock Exchange Knowledge tab. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit if you do decide to join this broker. Flatex offers competitive conditions for trading stocks, CFDs, and ETFs. And this broker's platforms are suitable for all styles of trading. As a client, you can trade on proprietary platforms. And there is one standard account that will give you full access to all the tools, resources, and instruments Flatex offers. This broker provides 24-hour customer support, premium educational content, and plenty of resources for analysis and research. As a Flatex client, you will have access to powerful trading platforms and beginner-friendly mobile applications. Web Branch Classic and Flatex Next are the mobile applications that this broker offers. Web Branch is designed for hassle-free account management and order estimation, and can be used to create personalized watch lists. Flatex Next, on the other hand, is the official Flatex mobile trading application. This application can be used to invest in thousands of instruments directly from your phone, and it provides daily trading ideas. Both of these applications are compatible with Android and iPhone devices, and can be downloaded for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store. If you would prefer to trade on your desktop or laptop, you can try Flatex Trader 2.0, which is Flatex's downloadable proprietary trading software. Flatex Trader 2.0 comes with a variety of built-in technical indicators, multi-view order management, real-time push rates, and an extensive chart module. This platform lets you create predefined price lists and can be used to trade on a variety of exchanges, including German stock exchanges and Xetra. Flatex Trader 2.0 is available as a basic or premium package. The basic package costs around €15 per month and will give you access to 25 indicators, 4 virtual pages, up to 200 simultaneous symbols, historical data as far as 5 years back, Thomson Reuters news, and much more. If you use the premium package, you will get full access to all the features of the basic package, as well as 10 years of historical data, 20 virtual pages, and all the indicators offered. The premium package costs slightly more, but it might just give you the competitive edge you are looking for if you are a more experienced trader. Flatex also provides a proprietary analytics platform known as Floor 3 that you can use to stay in touch with the community, discuss market activities, and analyze price movements. This platform gives you access to trading courses, as well as charts and news. It comes with a built-in market scanner, advanced signals, and much more. You can also use the Product Finder application to help you find products that are relevant to your trading strategies and goals. This intuitive application uses smart search technologies to make automatic recommendations without the need to use complex filters. You can find out more information about the tools and platforms this broker offers under the Platforms and Application tab. Flatex offers one universal account that you can use to save, invest, and trade. This account will give you access to thousands of tradable instruments, flexible savings plans, and powerful platforms. Once you have opened an account, you will have access to 3 classes of Flatex partners that each offer exclusive trading perks. You will also be able to choose between fund saving accounts and ETF savings accounts. And with Flatex Green, you can easily invest in sustainable products, so there's no need to spend hours looking for sustainable instruments. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Flatex offers, click on the Prices tab or head over to the Actions page. Creating an account with Flatex will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free and easy. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Flatex homepage, and then click on the Open a Depot button. Complete their online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and then you can log into their client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account has been verified and set up, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is Flatex's proprietary trading platform. At the top right of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your watch list, where you can easily switch between your favorite instruments. Their proprietary trading platform provides updated expert and market news, an economic calendar, and so much more. No specific information regarding minimum deposits is available on the Flatex website. However, a minimum deposit of at least $1,000 is recommended if you are trading ETFs or CFDs. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. Flatex provides training videos, webinars, expert insights, market updates, and plenty of useful information to help you learn the basics. If you are interested in stock trading, you can learn all about current stock market events, important stock market dates, and any other insights and tips you need by visiting the market update page. There are also dozens of videos that you can watch to learn the basics of trading and how to use their platforms. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. The awards a broker receives are a good indication of what the broker's strengths are. Flatex recently received awards for being the best broker for ETFs, funds, and day trading. Overall, Flatex is a well-established European broker with millions of clients worldwide. This broker offers thousands of instruments, powerful trading platforms, and much more. The tools and platforms provided are exclusive to Flatex, so it might be worth checking this broker out to see what it's all about. Flatex seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Flatex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.